Hi guys, Miss Trace here. Today's lesson is on symmetry. You should know the line of symmetry, and it's an imaginary line where you could fold the image and both halves match exactly the same. So it's almost as if it's a reflection or a mirror image. So when you're talking symmetry, think about the word reflection. You'll see those in math. All of the shapes in the Templaytes puzzle are symmetrical, meaning that if you put a line down the center, what's on the left is on the right. This one is symmetrical. This one is symmetrical, left to right. This one is symmetrical, left to right. This one is symmetrical, left to right. Now mind you, it's on the vertical up and down axes, not this way. So just kind of pay attention to making sure that what's on the left is on the right. Then you know that you have a symmetrical shape. Same thing here. This is symmetrical both vertically and horizontally. This one is symmetrical on the left and the right, meaning if I flip it, same thing. All right, no change. Another rectangle. This shape is the only one that is not. These two are the only ones that are not. Your yellow template is not symmetrical. It's asymmetrical. Put an A in front of it, it means not. That means that if I put a line of symmetry down the center, what is on the left is not on the right. Let's get drawing a symmetrical design. You only need one of each puzzle piece because in order to make a symmetrical design, we just need to trace it, flip it, and draw the reflection. So we can even make a symmetrical design with an asymmetrical shape. Let me show you how you do that. I'm going to line this up here, hold my piece down firmly, and trace. I call this placing and tracing. You place the shape where you want it, you hold it down firmly, and you trace it. Again, I make this look easy. It's going to take a while for you guys to get your fine motor skills and your dexterity in your fingers so that you can draw as easily as I can. I've been doing it for 100 years. And I'm going to flip it. To flip it will give me the reflection or the mirror image. So remember the word reflection when we talk about symmetry. And again, I'm tracing the shape. And if I lift it up, I'm starting to build a symmetrical design. So already it's looking kind of cool. It's very rare, I think, that you'd actually know what it was going to look like before you do it. That's why we talk about developing consistency and acquiring skill, meaning you got to just keep trying. I'm going to take this semicircle. I'm going to put one here. And then I'm going to flip it for the reflection. So as you see, I'm drawing on a chalkboard, and it kind of helps me line up the sides. If you're working on a piece of paper, use the edge of your paper, providing it's straight. So we're starting to develop a design here. It's starting to happen. Let's put a little triangle in here. I put one, it looks like I had done one here before, so I'm going to put my triangle here. I'm going to try to line this this point with that point. So that's higher level thinking when we talk about Bloom's taxonomy and that pyramid. That first you need to remember and then understand and apply. I'm applying what I've learned, right? Reflecting the shapes to draw symmetry, but I'm also analyzing it as I go. So stop, think, do I like it, don't I like it? And then try to decide when it is you're gonna quit. I actually kind of think this is cool. So if you look at the line of symmetry, put one in the center, what's on the left is on the right. This would qualify as a symmetrical design, all right? If you want, you can start filling in the shapes. So maybe I want to just fill in, and again, it's a little bit easier because I have chalk and I can cover it quickly. It doesn't look as nice with chalk, but it gives you the idea, all right? So you can color it in. And again, you can make your own coloring books by making just pages and pages of symmetrical designs and then color them in later when you're bored, sad, or depressed. So I'm starting to color it in. It's starting to you can start to see how the shapes separate, and you separate it from the lines. So your lines, actually, I guess a way to say it is that your lines turn into a shape. So when we talk about elements of design, I'm going to stop seeing the lines and I'm going to start seeing the shapes. So it's pretty cool. All right, that's number one. So let's call this design number one, and I will make some more. But I want to keep the videos brief. So this is a demonstration for you, short and sweet. Symmetrical design made with templates. Do you think it's cool? I think so. Turned out kind of nice. All right. Oh, wait, maybe I want to color this little shape in. Because again, I'm analyzing it. I'm looking at it and I'm saying, huh. Yeah, if I do this, this is really cool. If I color this little triangle in, then all of a sudden I start to see this shape, which is really pretty awesome. All right, that's it for now. One symmetrical design, and I'll come up with another one.